Ladies and gentlemen, we got one. Here it is, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro in real life in the United States. I am super excited to actually have gotten my hands on one. As you probably know by now, they're not really available in the US, but I was able to order one from Dr. Drone in Canada. They're one of the few Canadian retailers that does ship to the US. It finally got through customs, and so here it is, DJI Mavic 4 Pro. So yeah, let's get it open. And here we have it, the Mavic 4 Pro case. It is a lot bigger than the case for the Air 3S and previous DJI drones, but I'm sure there's a lot of goodies in here. Looks like a great case. So first of all, we have our propellers, I think these are. There they are, 4, 6, 8 propellers, 2 full sets of props. And then next up we have our battery charger with 2 of the batteries in it, partially charged already, looks great. And then we have our DJI RC2. Now I know there's a creator combo with the new RC2 Pro, I think it's called. I just didn't really feel like spending $1,000 extra for a little bit bigger remote. I like this remote quite well. I'm sure the new one is fantastic, but at this point I didn't feel like spending more. So there's that. Here is the chargers. And here we have a charger for pretty much every single different country in the world. But the one that we need is this one right here for the USA. Or actually maybe it's this one, we'll see. Or this one, there's a bunch of them that look the same. Looks like 2 EU chargers. I don't know why they send you so many chargers, but there they are. More chargers than I will ever need. And then finally here we have the drone itself. The mighty Mavic 4 Pro. Let's see how you get this opened up. And there it is. This drone is massive. That is definitely my first impression. Nice gimbal guard design. The gimbal guard is massive as well. I guess it has to be for this fancy little 360 gimbal. This thing is a chunk, obviously, because it has a 4/3 sensor and then 3 times and 7 times, or I guess actually 2.5 times and 6.5 times on this one, a telecamera. And very interesting new gimbal design that can go spinning all the way around. Let's see if we can get this thing unfolded. Oh, it actually comes with this little propeller guard. I'll get rid of that. And yeah, there it is. Absolutely massive little drone. Huge propellers. This is definitely a lot bigger than the Air 3, Air 3S, or even the Mavic 3. Big size upgraded, but that does make sense because it's supposed to be able to fly for 50 minutes, fly faster, all of that good stuff. So yeah, there it is. Mavic 4 Pro. Let's see if there's anything else that is included here. The quick start guide and some little DJI stickers. I never put DJI stickers on things, but apparently they send them out anyway. And all the way down in the bottom here, we have our charging cables, 2 USB-C cables, very important. And we have a 100-watt charging brick. DJI finally has decided to include a power adapter again with the Mavic 4 Pro. Super happy about that. It's kind of unfortunate to have to get some other kind of adapter, even though they're fairly cheap, but it's really nice, especially with a $3,500 drone, to get a power adapter. This has 2 USB-C 2 outputs with 100 watts of power delivery between both of them. Now, unfortunately, this kit does not come with the 240 watt power adapter that will charge your batteries up in this charger way faster than the regular 100-watt adapter. Again, I just didn't feel like paying that much more for the creator combo, but I'll probably get one of those aftermarket later. Let's see, is there anything else hiding in here? Unfortunately, we still are not getting ND filters with the new Mavics. There was originally going to be an electronic ND filter, but unfortunately that's not currently available. So yeah, there it is, DJI Mavic 4 Pro in the US. If you're interested in getting one of these in from Canada, I'll leave a link to the Dr. Drone website. They've been great to work with, answered all my questions, even sent me a nice little note thanking me for my order. They have been out of stock some of the time, and what's on their website isn't necessarily the stock that they have, so just call them and find out if you want to get one. You'll probably have to pay some import duties because country of origin is China, but if you want one in the US, it's well worth it, and it's not much more than you would be paying from Adorem and B&H whenever they get one in stock. And I'm going to be making a bunch of content with the Mavic 4 Pro here in the next few days, going to be taking it for its first test flight as soon as it stops raining. I'll be testing out the active track, I'll be comparing it to other drones like the Air 3S, and a whole bunch more stuff, so make sure to subscribe to see all of that content. Hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, it's turning on. Okay. Well, the turning on part was not supposed to be part of this video, but we just turned it on for the first time. Did its whole little crazy gimbal dance. Wow, that was a loud fan. There it is.